All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Sniper Squad Day Trading. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's up, everybody? It is Friday, man. It's been a rough week. um, but I'm feeling good, optimistic. Got one thing on the scanner, so kind of lessens the odds, but it's got a decent catalyst. Um, Apparently, I think Trump put a tariff on drones coming from outside the country. So Trump signs proclamation imposing tariffs up to 100% on imported drones. Yo, what up, Bobby? Appreciate it, man. Yeah, definitely gonna try to do that. Man, this thing happened right here. Hmm. Okay. Oh snap! You read 114. Jackknife boy. Man, sorry to hear that, bro. Yeah, you could definitely walk away, man. That's what's up, bro. Yeah, them jackknives. I couldn't handle them jackknives, bro. I had to leave. Like, man, I'm taking my money elsewhere, bro. It's a really interesting situation here.
LUNR
Bruh, destroyed. Hmm. Where? Bruh, it's so bad. It's so bad. Power bomb.
LUNR.
Hilarious. It's interesting. 15 looks a bit diabolical. What's going on?
BRUN.
QXO.
Voxel. What he's done, son. Bounced off yesterday's lower day. It could happen. Mm, true.
Order filled.
Yellow line's previous high day. Oh yeah, Wednesday, 1094. Yeah, we got to get back above that ASAP. One hour unboxing. You want to check it out. Well, false halt down. Hmm.
BRUN.
Hmm. It's reasonable, Trey. High day. Hilarious. Uh, that's funny. He's not wrong. No, but I'm not like gonna hold for high day. Like I'm definitely selling the VWAP for sure on GP. On GP. On the Jip. On the Jipper. What's it gonna be? What? I'm gonna say what? No, I get you. I get you. You're saying this is a short. It was a short. Now I'm saying it's a long. But volume's looking kind of light on this five, so I'm gonna be pretty aggressive with my stop here.
BRUN.
Hey, I'm liking IREN over here a little bit though. You know, hold maybe another 5 minutes. Shoot. Just actually want on a Friday. I like Friday.
BRUN. BRUN.
What's up, Focus?
BRUN. BRUN.
Order filled.
Don't unsubscribe, Rob. I'm sorry. Won't happen again.
BRUN.
'91 MJ. 'Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Let's go. Mm.
BRUN.
Struggling trader. What? What are you talking about, Haji? Day Day, is this your cousin?
Order filled.
Good. Well, you fired. And Roach, you fired too. Inshallah.
BRUN.
It wasn't much, but I did it. And stop is just about break even. So, I'll buy SMCI right here. Kind of lagging, bro. I just use my scanner now. Yeah, I got my the scanner that you see on the screen. I've also been watching stocks day to day a little bit too. Been doing some day two stuff. $10.91. Yeah, SMCI. Got the lower high on the 5. Still above VWAP in the EMA though. Yeah, this definitely look like it's uptrending. I think we're good. Maybe. We're never good. You just play candle by candle, man. It's never good. SMCI, man, I remember trading SMCI when it was like around $1,000. Man, that's crazy. Uh, that's tough. That's tough.
BRUN.
Man. What are we doing over here? Hmm. 1091. That's excessive. Come on, baby. Just go. 40.95. It was red when I bought it. Yeah, I sold 4. Nah. It's solid setup. Well, hold on. What are we talking about again? SMCI. Okay, SMCI. This was more like a 5-minute pullback play. But it was, I mean, it's pulled back on the 15 too. I actually wished I could have gotten it a lot lower in the wick. Ah, bro. Trey's sarcasm is like uh, yeah, boy. Bro, it's taking a long time for these joints to play out, bro. 42-31 is possible. Bro, I agree. It could happen. Higher day is 40.53. All right, our cat. What's it gonna be, man? What's it gonna be? I think 91 should be my stop, actually. Oh, oop, too late for that. Hmm. For everybody to take profits, yeah. Could have sold a little more up there. Sold a
BRUN.
little more. Man, I was going back and forth between IRN and SMCI. Definitely picked the right one so far, anyway. Minus 3R. What's up, Knives? 41. If it get to 40.95, I'll be grand. Bet more. Risk does actually feel pretty wide on this. Right on time. All right, Arcat. What's it gonna be? It's pretty weak from you on the buy side here.
Order filled.
Responsible trading. Looks like the play to me, my friend. Looks like the play to me. Come on, RCAT. SMCI is doing just fine. Top tick to high, and now we're waiting. Stops moved up.
BRUN.
Good. We're good. Everything's fine. It's gonna be a profit killer. I think so. Hmm. 84. Oh, broke that. $10 million. Ah, SMCI. What happened? What happened, bro? Feeling a little woozy. It's a little baby stop. Are you buying SMCI? It's possible. It's definitely possible.
BRUN. BRUN. BRUN.
Order filled.
That's a definite add on the 5. So. Well, I move it as it makes higher lows. So now that we broke this high on the 5, I can move it up here. Man, I really wanted to get that ad up in there. Maybe I'll get it still. No, VWAP's not really my focus. Price action and levels. Yeah, it's still on the chart though. What's the dots about? Filling with baby stop. Well, my stop's above break even, so I got a little bit of SMCI and super tiny small bit of RCAT. Yeah, it does. Stop over here where it was. This one. 2R. 77. It's pretty negative though. 83. Good spot. I try to take profits at previous highs. So previous places where price moved up and got sold off into, I try to take profit in those same places. And that's essentially how we find daily levels too. And then, just kind of like general principle places like VWAP. If I buy, below VWAP, I want to sell into VWAP. Buy high, sell low.
Order filled.
adding what shorts would be adding. Hmm. Side bottomish. Yeah. Thought it looked decent on the 5 though. Nah, we try to stay away from that kind of behavior, Hattie. Ain't much good in that. Yeah, I just do shares. Maybe some of us. What's 8 more shares? Yeah. Yeah, it's a tough grind, man. It's been a really tough week. It's been a it's been a tough week. It gets really hard to trade. Like the worse I do, it's just like now it's like, dang man, I don't even want to take the ones that I feel good about because psychology, bro, stuff is real. Yeah, it's like I kind of was selling like when I see 2 hour of profit, I'll sell a quarter. But I was selling too early a lot of times. Where if you look at the chart, like why'd you sell right there? You just sold right there because you just decided to sell right there.
Order filled.
And so I've been trying to be more uh, selective and have fewer, more meaningful sales than just like selling because of profit. So like right there, I sold because kind of getting into these where these highs are and VWAP just makes sense to let off some shares. Plus, I hardly sold any up here last time. Been trying for a long time. Yeah, indeed, has been a long time. And I've been feeling like I almost got it slash got it for a long time too, and it just don't go like I've been thinking. It is indeed that nice. It is indeed that, and that's what keeps me in a place of hope because I just think it's a literally a me thing, and I believe I can conquer it. It's difficult. Yeah, that's definitely my first goal, Rob. Let me tell you about selling too early. Are you making profit? Are you one of those who say you can't go broke taking profits? Man, it's a little volume in this big move up. I took some profit already, Rob. Sold a quarter of my shares up there. Look at the 5. 5 is like, we going up, dog. Don't even sweat it. Just got to break 11.10. I need 11.11. Time is money. I hear that, man. I've been getting more and more comfortable with the open small wins. I really have. It's not as illogical as it seems. Fair value gap, eh? I speak not that language. Come on, drone investors. Look at this great price after the news came out. It's your time. That futures trading language, yeah. What up, Supernova? Yeah, I don't know that language. Man, yeah, the open's intense, man. The open is intense. It can be. Sometimes it's pretty chill though. That first candle though, that first candle's wild. Might as well just let that joint shake out. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, Bobby. I just want to take out. We get start trading over VWAP, man. You know it's good. Mm. Where's Frank at today? He only comes in after he has like a really nice session. When he's nice and green, and chest be poking out, he come in. Ah, look at you, lame chart traders. Huh, guys don't even know how to trade. Stupid charts. Peasants. Feels wrong to add up here. I can't do it. I can't do it. Shoot, man, we were just riding the wave now, Bobby, moving up the stop as we go. Man, I really want to add right here, though. I wanted to break below the EMA first. But it's kind of early in the trend. So third 5-minute candle to go. That bread and molasses, boy. 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 I see some buyers. Switch this time frame up. ISEV. Man, seriously looking like a buy right here, bro.
Order filled.
Under 10 mil is my jam. Just talked myself out of that buy and bought it anyway. Simba, good luck. Damn that FOMO. I completely forgot about that conversation I had with myself, Trey. Like, it just vanished until I heard order filled, and then I was like, wait a minute. Wait a minute. See, I knew it was gonna break down first. It just makes sense. It just makes sense. Yeah, it really was. It could happen. Come on, 11-11. That's all I need to see. Yo, trading time. What's going on? Oh man, I appreciate you stopping by, man. Saying what's up. Hope everything's well with you, sir. Congrats on the AMD trade. Oh, okay, that's what's up, Small Wins. I'll check you out. Leave a comment like on the official, on the not live part, so I can find your name easy. Or leave a comment on like my review video or something. Or I'll drop a link in the Discord on our videos channel if you don't mind sharing it. Or a message, whatever. It's looking
BRUN.
good. Come on, 11-11. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, don't make a fool out of me. Come on. Let us go. They're trying to sell it. Get out the way. Get out the way. Where is Bugs Bunny when you need him? Come on, 11-11. So close. Then it can just dump. Yeah, it'd be like that, man. Just need a little breakout to spice things up a bit. Come on. This consolidation has been thorough. There it is. It's back. So close. Didn't get an 11-11 print though. I'm telling you, bro, they selling 11-10. Get out the way. Man. There it is. It's out of there. 11-11. 11-12. 13. Go forth and do great things. Price action. Got 11:30 up here. Waiting on you. Waiting on you. Go forth. Forth. Sacrifice incoming. Don't be a hater. It's almost at 10 million. Then you can join the fun page. Yeah, it be like that a lot of times, man. That's why it's like hard to know when y'all can't see the vision and when I'm just being stupid. It's hard to tell the difference. $10 million mixtape. Yeah, it's a blurry line. You know, I wish I sold some through 11-11. I was waiting for that. I knew it was resistance. Why wouldn't you sell some? You know, especially after the ad. That would have been a great idea. I just wasn't even thinking about it. I was like, I guess I kind of felt like I sold this area already, but still, you know, it's been a good, after adding, it would have been a good spot.
ALOY.
Yeah, that would have been a good spot.
QMCO.
Dag blasted. Dag blasted. It's the climactic ending volume of the uptrend. Could be. Could be. Yeah, I know you've been saying that, Bobby. I've been peeping it too. As soon as you say it, I can see it. It just jumps right out. The trick is getting there before though, like getting this entry instead of, you know, waiting for it to form. But it's just, you know, the level. I want the level, right? I got the level on the screen for a reason. We get to the level. Crazy mind. We got the climactic end right here. And then one more just in case, right? Buyer step in and we get the higher low. And they're like swimwear. Sell VWAP, pull back, higher low, add, pull back, add. And now we see our fate. I'm not gonna go red. Forget that. It's not my stop rules. Dag nabbit. It's not my stop rules. Sounds so simple, I know, right? Low 85, stop should be 83. Because I'm moving away from my rules, but I just moved back, so we're good now. You talking about realized and unrealized? Yeah, I really should have got a sale up there. That was diabolical, actually. Now that the more I think back about it, how much I was waiting for that 11-11 to break, and then it broke. I didn't sell. I wasn't even thinking to sell, though. I just was thinking that was gonna be the perpetuation of the move, and it's all right. We're still good. We're still good. Maybe making new highs and such. Might even get a reload. Reload. Well, it's just because I kind of just checked it out. I'm doing pretty good. I'm managing my stop. I lost it for a second, but I'm managing my stop per my rules now, and I'm selling into previous highs. This wasn't, this was me selling into this high in VWAP-ish area. So, this wasn't like I didn't sell an obvious high or daily resistance or anything. It was just a level that I peeped, you know, really going for it today. I mean, it's chilling. It's chilling, a little 5 minute light volume pullback. Well, my ad isn't a full position though. Like, cause with this ad, I was risking still down to here. So, it's like a half risk type thing. And I've already taken some profit, so can't make it up. I hope it holds. I'd love a higher low and a spot to add, man. If it stays right here for another 5 minutes, though, sheesh. I feel like I should use this 15-minute low, though. 1096, which is right here now. Ooh.
Order filled.
Yeah, I did. Volume was getting kind of tiny. Is that a lot?
Order filled.
BRUN.
Under 10 mil equals money. Shoot. I'm cool. Come on, Arcat. Start acting like a buster. $11 is usually drop time, is it? I don't know if I would say that that's the case. Low floats. Yeah, it's not the most exciting uptrend for sure. It's almost flat. But thanks, Bond. Mm-mm. 7. Can't break down. Round and round. Yeah, me too, Splinter. Need more of it. I like this lower high on the EMA here. EMA then cross back below VWAP. It's looking kind of sketchy. It's looking kind of sketchy. Down flush within 4 minutes. It's definitely not looking great. We got 1106 stacked.
Order filled. Order filled.
Thanks, Brian.
BRUN.
Can you change it to say LFG?
BRUN.
What you laughing at, stock honcho? Nah. Oh, thank God, Rob, that I just happened to fall on your 25% error rate. That's funny. That's funny. Hilarious. Yeah, buddy.
ALOY.
I needed some kind of morale boost to go into the weekend. Hey, it's gonna be sad. Not only that, but my poor little account. Another max loss day, bro. Appreciate you, B. Ah, man. Shoot, I ain't got the 5R in the bank yet. 5R just sitting there right now. And it broke this resistance. It had this same resistance right here. And it was struggling, and when it finally broke, that joker went straight to 37. And the open is 38. So I'm thinking we could get up there to that area. Mid 30s maybe. So I'm trying to hold off on selling. I've sold every high. I regret not selling here. But other than that, I could have sold here, but I mean, we was just getting started. Still could have sold there and added back. I'd be so worried about decreasing my position size too early. But yeah, I've sold very responsibly though, for the most part. And yeah, thanks, bro. So just kind of, I don't know, it's looking kind of sketchy though. I don't want it to break down. Blue moon system. Once in a blue moon. Okay. I followed my checkbox. We had support level, yesterday's high, got a climactic end, and the buyers arrived. So I bought it. Man, appreciate it. Appreciate it. Feeling a little bad about not having a sell at the top of this 5-minute wick right here, but I just trying to hold for this level to level move. I believe it just makes sense. Like where else in here, you know? Besides opening price area, all this little friction here. It just makes sense. Yeah, I know, man. I'm working on it though. I almost got it. Yesterday was just it's just like it's so many variables, bro, that you gotta conquer. Like even like psychologically, like conquering the variable of okay, I'm gonna sit here and I'm not gonna trade any bad setups. All right, cool. I've conquered that variable. But then I come in the next day. That is pretty diabolical, stock honcho. Then I come in the next day and everything's going up, and I'm not taking any entries. Like now I got to deal with that mentally. So it's just a lot of things that little variables like that I haven't overcome yet, but I'm getting there. My resolve to do what's right is getting stronger for sure. Ugh, I don't like that. It did open higher though. That's pretty good. Uh, man.
Order filled.
In case you try and double top me. Not today. The Blue Moon System. Cold World. The Beyond Friends.
ALOY.
I'm telling you, I got you, Billy. I got what you need, Billy. Um, yeah, it's pretty awful. It's pretty awful. But I had 2 no trade days. It's got to be something. I really want to hold for 37, to be honest. But I feel like yeah, it's been tough. It's been tough. sir. We need him up. Man, I would just love to break through 30s, man. Imagine getting some higher day sales. Now we're getting to where we're going to be looking for a longer term pullback, though. So I don't want to get caught in that without getting a lot of shares off. How do we avoid such a thing? Basically, I had to start managing on the 5 to see some 5-minute lows. Volume also. Just had a good pullback, though. Oof. Oof. Yeah, Friday's been lit, man. This is true. Just trade Fridays. Man, I thought I had 3 max loss days in a row. Only had 2. Okay. I was feeling a lot worse. Last week I had 3 max loss days, though. Yeah, last week I was red every day and then hit a banger on Friday. And this week I didn't trade Monday or Tuesday. Red Wednesday, Thursday. And potential for banger today. Swag, yo. Next week, one max loss day. Yeah. Yeah, I just to get to a point where max loss is like a rarity, like to be able to see when it's not the opportunities aren't good and to just not engage those days and not have a bunch of max loss days, turn those into no trade days. Hey, yeah, I know, man. I almost caught myself yesterday. I felt myself. It was a cliff though. Like it was like I had 2 seconds before I fell. You know, when you're trying to catch your balance, I had like 2 seconds, and then it was over with. It was over. He was gone. Yeah, 28 would have been cool. I thought about putting the order at 27, but I really think we can get closer to the open price. I think 37 makes a lot of sense. I'd actually sell half my shares at 37. Maybe I should just keep selling a quarter, raising up the style. The buyers ain't giving no time. Needs to pull in a bit more. Maybe. I don't know. This might be it right here. That's pretty good. It's only been an open candle for a few minutes. Yeah, I'm chilling. Yeah, it could definitely be the third high in the wrap for this. It looks like it's time for a 15-minute pullback, to be honest. I will concede to that. But it also looks like a 5-minute continuation, too. Day one's trying to tempt you. Yeah, I mean, they're very tempting. They do a lot of volume. But with your stats, man, I might be buying, Rob. I might be. Mm. That'd be a good way to filter out the ones that ain't doing nothing too. Nah, this just looked like a tap to the EMA slash previous highs to me, Rob, on the 5. I don't know why you think this is bearish. I mean, that's a little bearish. I ain't gonna hold you. But I mean, it's literally first pullback after testing VWAP. I think it looks great. 15 looking gorgeous. I'm about to miss the ad messing around with you. Messing around with you, dog. Should have added already.
Order filled.
Hey, I didn't mean to put my. I didn't mean to add that tight. Well, this could be interesting. End of the road or big ups. We shall see. Stops break even. Let it ride. If I'm wrong here, it's time to get out anyway. 28. Yeah, it got a little out of hand. I risked to this low instead of this low, which what I usually would have done. But it's all good. Break even's under the low, so we'll stop out if I'm wrong about this ad. We'll stop out break even. All we need is a pop to 28 though, and I'll get some profit out, and we'll be good. We'll be good. Who is this jerk at 25? Hooping around parade. Should have gave him some of my shares. Uh, yeah, that's my next sell target, Rob. It's 37. I believe we can do it. I also want to sell into this high though, but man, the 15, if the 15 could just have a nice little breakout candle, man. Flip floppy is his name. Come on, lads. Let us go. Dang, bro. Sell all them shares right there, bro. Relax. Relax. Just selling up here at 37, bro. All day trend vibes. I hope so, man. I just want one more high. Just give me one more. Please. Just one more freaking high, bro. Yeah. It could have been so glorious. It could have been so glorious. 11-11. Where's my stop? It could have been so glorious. Eleven, 11. Ah. See, man. Bro. Yeah, that seller is going lower and lower, man. He's going lower and lower, bro. Same guy, 122. Airjacks. I mean, it moves enough for me to take ours out of it. I don't understand the issue with the movement. Getting some nice legs on this thing. Bruh, if this thing can go, man, oh my gosh. Ascending. It's still hitting on it. Bruh, I'm just like, uh, it's not gonna happen. Rob Scouts 10s. Let me not put that out there. It could happen. Oink, oink. That's funny, Trey. Bye, humbug. Hilarious. Come on, hold this low. 11-11. Come on, man. 11-11. Dislike button engaged. I understand, Rob. I understand. Uh, I know, bro. Damn, man. Oh, snaps. Oh, snaps. Broker error saved me? What you mean? Yeah, my stop's 1109. You know I gotta go 2 pennies under.
Order filled.
Womp womp. Everything dropped. Uh-oh, a little lower day buyer center in the chat action over here. That's a new lower day though. That daily's trash. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. New lower day on both of those. What time is it? 11:32. Yeah, I guess that's a wrap. Yeah. I almost sold this too, man. I was just like, should I sell this right here? It was obviously stuck. But I was like, we're almost there. I was definitely gonna sell this high, but 25 would have been fine. That would have been fine. Gave back too much. Yeah, well, the ad here for sure forced me to, move my average up a lot. But, yeah, for sure. For sure. I'm gonna see what happens at this level for RCAT. If it breaks below, I'm done. Pretty late in the day though. So greed is strong. do 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 do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's set up somewhere, bro. I started to buy the break of this little consolidation, but I figured if it really got some wheels on it, the pullback should be righteous. So let's just wait. See if it really got some wheels on it. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah, I done seen this pattern before. Uh-huh. Seen it before. Nah, it look like it's about to sell off. It looks cool on the 15 though, but it still got a lot of time left on that candle. Got the climactic end. We're at the level. I guess the buyers have stepped in. It's a little buying happening. Not a lot. A little bit. No. If you were green on the week a month, would I be looking for another trade right now? That is a really good question. That's a very good question. Hmm. All right, trading time. Appreciate you, bro. Hmm. Answer the question. You on Rob's side now? Nah, I'd be cheesing to the bank. DRC. Y'all are hilarious. Mm. Mm. Ah. Hmm. You guys are spitting in the chat right now. All right. I will officially put a fork in it after that. All right, for sure. Oh man, I'm kind of wiggly over here. I'll take forever to set up. Take it over to the 4 p.m. Oh man, he's laying it on thick now. Daggone. That is unfortunate, Trey. They need to work on that. man. It would just be so slow though. My bad. I said the buyers have arrived for a good time, not a long time. Stop. I'm feeling like, bro, why didn't you take this hammer time at the level that you know, that's a significant level. That's this day right here. Pretty good level, man. Pretty good level. But the buyers hadn't truly arrived where I could objectively say the buyers have stepped in. But now I can say that. 15-minute is triggered. So now I feel like I could buy the first pullback. Man, this would have been crazy RR down here, like 98. Let's go 10 center. All right, we might be here a little bit longer, just a little bit. We've all been there. Appreciate the understanding. Excuse me. Should have went with my gut and got in at the hammer time at the level.
BRUN.
Damn it. This would have been like 3R right here, bro. To VWAP. Bro. I have FOMO extra high now. Mm. Pew, pew, pew. Oh, that would have been a cool little leg to catch. Cool little leg to catch, man. That was one of the cleanest hammers I've ever seen on 3 different time frames at the same time. the cleanest. Thanks, Rob.
Order filled.
It's a bit higher than I wanted. It helped a lot, man. It helped a lot. Oh, the light's 11:04. A lot more than 7. $11.11. We meet again. Yeah. Much better. Ugh, this green arrow is gross. It looks terrible. Hopefully, in hindsight, it will be a sniper. Ah, excuse me. Oh, yes. The old gap up. The old 1 minute gap up. Dang, we got 142 of them. 142 of them. What's this high? Mm-hmm.
BRUN.
11:10:5. 11-11. Thanks, Knox. We all trading well today. Did you trade, Trey? You said Boxel. Small win on Boxel. Does this lead to... Yeah, I mean, the thing that leads to the not profitability is the taking setups that aren't setups, trading away from levels and stuff like that, you know, being the only buyer. So the better I get at actually trading my setup, it's not really a big deal. Maybe. I think 25 is a great profit target. 1.5 max loss. Dang. That's what's up. See, like on the 15, bro, this is like clean higher low on lower volume. We just need this candle to show out, which we only got 3 minutes left, so it's probably not going to show out. And that's where you get kind of worried that it's probably going to be a lower high and continue back down and stop me out. That's my synopsis. That's my synopsis. But, you know, back above VWAP, back above the EMAs. It could happen. 3 minutes, it could go straight up. No, I'm not at all. I really shouldn't have traded into 12 for sure. I ain't got that kind of time. The time is 13 for me. Yeah. LFG, baby. Come on. Come on. Never know. Come on. Crack them 12s. Wow, this is crazy volume right now. Which way do we go from here? Come on, baby. Go up. Go up. Can we actually print 12? Nobody want to spend 12, huh? It's beautifully priced stock. Ooh. Ooh. Even more volume on the buys. Ah, I wish I would have followed my gut and pulled it off the level, boy. It is a little popcorn in here. I don't have me a snack or anything. Let's be honest. If it lows below this, it's a wrap. Let's be honest. Is that the rule? What was my stop? Okay. I like this buying that's going on here. I'll tell you what. Oh, yes. Let's go. Hmm. Getting volatile up in here. I don't know what's going on. Hmm. 15 is the high of this little plateau. Okay. What? What do you mean, Bobby? It's not even possible.
Order filled.
Fees, maybe? Oh, I see what you mean. Fee, still in drawdown. Mm-hmm. Kind of a funky time of day, though. If this thing can get over 15, though, man, that would be really ideal with potential run up here. Uh, price today. How the daily gonna have a different opening price than the hourly? I mean, than the 15. Interesting. Yeah, it's really looking like a lower high on the 15 now, and probably continuation back down to yesterday's high. unless we take out 11.15, then I'll be hopeful for the move up. Nah, we're not risking max loss. We're risking 1R. That's it. Come on. So disappointing to not get that level, man. This would have already been a home run. Now I'm waiting for extra stuff. That's clearly not about to happen. There's 11.05. If it breaks that, we are out of there.
Order filled.
All right. Dang, man. Yeah. All right. That's why you leave. It's a good trade idea. I just didn't act on it soon enough. I was too iffy about it, which is a good way to just stay out of it if that's how you feel. So, all right, but a little green day. So I'm not muted. Am I muted for real? Y'all can't hear me? Oh, okay. Um, yeah. All right, y'all. Well, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Yeah, I gave back an R. That sucks because I was floating good 3R at one point, unrealized with my 2R realized. Anyways, y'all be cool. It's